Hello everyone, this is the episode 2 of our clicker game. So I told you that I'll add the smooth movements of the button and sharp buttons. We'll add sharp button for today. We'll not add the sharps that we can buy. That's in episode 3. We can make the sharp button and the smooth movement today. This is how the smooth movement of the button works. Did you see that? It's so smooth. We will add this to our project. So, load your Scratch project from episode 1. The Scratch project that you have that time, the code will be like this. I'll make that. Set size to 120. Set size to 100. The code before was like this. We can add the coin to upgrade it. We can upgrade the coin. So first of all, we need to add the smooth movement. This is not very smoothly. It is switching and switching. So, look at this code. When green flag click forever, if touching mouse pointer, then it will set a size speedily to 120. We don't need like that. We need to go smoothly. In the control categories, you can see the repeat and block. What you put in this blank, it will repeat it anytime, whatever you put it, the number be. So, I'm changing the size by 1. When I make, in the looks categories, you can see this set size, we already learned. And under that, you can see this change size, we already learned it. It will change the size. So I'm going to drop it in this loop. I'm going to repeat it like 20 times, make it go really more. When you click that, it'll smoothly go bigger, really big. We didn't that. Let's go to the control categories and you can see this repeat until block. Repeat until. So, repeat until means it will repeat it, but until what? We can make it to that. So, I'll make it go to the operators category and get the equal block and put it here. Repeat until mouse pointer. No, repeat until the sizes 120. So repeat until you can go to the looks categories and down, and you can see this tiny oval shaped size. You can click on it. My sprite size is 300, so it shows 300 here. I can make the size to anything, like 90. I'll make it and click the size block. It shows 90. Let's put that right here. Repeat until size equals what? Okay, when size equals 120. Let's make to 120 for now to see what size is it. When this sprite is this much big, no, repeat. It will repeat this thing when what I put here. It will repeat that until the size is 120. So I will repeat, change size by 2. It will change size by 2. It needs to repeat it, but until the size is 120 when the mouse pointer is touching. So put that in the if touching mouse pointer and delete this repeat. Oh. Now you did it when you check it, it came bigger smooth. Did you see that? It's smooth. But going down, it's not smooth. Maybe I'll make the size go to 30. This is only getting a small big. That's good. More big. Same. I need to go back at a smooth one. So same. I will get a repeat until block. Repeat until the size is lower. It's 100. So repeat until size equals 100. Now I need to increase the size. Make it low. I can just make it low like this. So repeat until size equals 100. So what I need to repeat? I need to change size by minus 2. That makes it get lower. That makes the size low again. Minus when it had a minus. Same as this, it works. And if what happens? When not touching mouse pointer, it needs to do this. When not touching mouse pointer. Just delete this code. And you go. You got this smooth button. Just click the green flag. Smooth going down and up. Now let's make the sharp button. In episode 3, we will call the sharp. So let's paint one. Let's name it sharp. I'm naming it sharp button. And I'm gonna draw. I'm gonna pick the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle like this. Not this much bigger. I'm making it smaller to fit here. Maybe I'll curve the corners. Select the reshape tool, and I need to curve this size, so I'll select that and click the curved. Then I'll select and make it curvy that I like. This much. Then I select that one, curve. Yeah, I need this much, I think. Curve. Yeah, no, like this. Too bumpy. Yeah, and this last corner. Okay, I think this is kind of better. Not that much better. I think I'll reshape it against here. Yeah, just like that. And here. Here is it. Now I'll position it in the costume, so I'll select it. And with arrow keys, I can position it. Then I'll select the text tool. I think I'll choose the pixel. That's better. And I'm going to write sharp. And then I'm going to fill it with a dark one. Just like that. I'm going to select it. Make it a little more big. A little more small, I think. Oh, also, I need the outline. For this, I'm going to make the outline the same as the inside, but a darker. I'll make it a more darker. And the outline to like 8. Select it. 8. Yeah, better. Now move it a little further to see the outlines. Just like that. Good. I'm going to name the costume to shop. Oh no, shop, sorry. shop. Now go back to the code tab. Now code it. When I touch it, it will become lighter. When I not touch it, it will come back. Not lighter. When green flag clicked. On the looks category, you can see this block, effect ones. Like change color effect by 25. When I click this, the color will change by any number. When 100, it'll like very colors. When 0 makes it no colors at all. Clear graphic effects, you can see this block that clears the graphic effects what we done. Okay, we will look at the brightness for now. Set effect to brightness, 0 makes it nothing. When I make it 100, it's so bright. Even it's white. I'll make it like 30. It's still more. Like 1. Oh, make it 0. That fits in the white center because clear graphic effects. I make it a 1. It came to more like 20. Like this. No, I'll make it a little more. Like 10. Oh, that's so much. 30 is better, I call. No. 20 is better. For me, 20 is better. Yeah, this one. And I'm gonna change the color. Oh, now I'm gonna set, I think. I'll set the brightness. Set brightness to 20. Okay, that one. And I'll set brightness back to 0. Back to 0 means default, I think. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Default. Yeah, that one. Okay. When green flag clicked, it will clear graphic effects. But if mouse pointer is touching it, mouse pointer touching the sprite, it will set the brightness to 20. If not touching mouse pointer, it is not touching the mouse pointer, not touching mouse pointer, then I will clear graphic effects or set brightness to effect to 0. It needs to check it foreverly, not the clear graphic effects foreverly. Don't put that in a foreverly. It will clear the graphic effects foreverly. That's the problem. Now click smooth working, click working, coins go, shop touching without touching. Good. I will trigger of the shop clicking it in the episode 2. In the episode 2, we will make the shop see and come when we make it. So that's all for the episode 2. See you in the episode 3 next video. Bye.